Hello. You are all welcome to this teaching assistance channel. Here we offer assistance to early childhood education. Elementary schoolers, especially kindergartners, would benefit greatly from following this channel. Our lesson for you today is on the letters of the English alphabet. We will do letter, word, and object identification. Letters of the English alphabet. Letter, word, and object identification. A. A is for apple. B. B is for bag. C. C is for cat. D. D is for dog. E. E is for egg. F. F is for fan. G. G is for goat. H. H is for hat. I. I is for ink. J. J is for jar. K. K is for kettle. L. L is for lips. M. M is for mom. N. N is for net. O. O is for onion. P. P is for pan. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rat. S. S is for sun. T. T is for 10. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. W. W is for wagon. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Z. Z is for zipper. Hello. You are all welcome to this teaching assistance channel. Here we offer assistance to early childhood education.